NYCFC earns the first MLS Cup.
It was just a tremendous season for NYCFC.
So we have the NYCFC trophy truck here today, adding a really nice element and bringing the MLS trophy to fans and the community.
So here on the truck, we have our beautiful kits, and we have our beautiful MLS Cup trophy here in the truck. Our friends at Aardvark make it really easy to bring the cup to our community.
The fans have been absolutely excited when we tell them this is the real trophy.
It's something that I never thought would be in fun. A real trophy, it's an accomplishment. That's something I can do.